In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background color of photo in Canva. We'll walk through a simple, reliable workflow that lets you tweak the background color of a photo without affecting your subject too much, all using Canva's built-in tools. Start by opening a template in Canva. You can choose any size or design that fits your project, whether it's a social post, a presentation slide, or a flyer. A ready-made template is great because it gives you a layout to work within, but a blank canvas works just as well if you prefer to start from scratch. Next, insert the photo whose background color you want to change. You can drag it onto the canvas or add it from the Uploads panel. Place it roughly where you want it to sit. Keeping the image selected, look for the Edit option in the toolbar and click it to open Canva's photo editing controls. In the Editing panel, scroll until you see Select Area. Click that, then choose Background. Canva will analyze the image and target adjustments to the background area specifically. This step is key because it keeps your subject from shifting too dramatically while you change the background's look. Now, open the Adjust section. You'll see a set of sliders that give you precise control. Start with Temperature. Moving it to the right warms the background toward yellows and oranges. Moving it left cools it toward blues. Small moves go a long way, so adjust gradually and watch how the background tone evolves. Then adjust Tint. This balances the green to magenta cast. Use it to neutralize any unwanted color shift from the temperature change or to push the background toward a color family that matches your design. Next, fine-tune Vibrance. This slider boosts muted colors more selectively than saturation, helping the background pop without making your subject look overprocessed. If you still want more intensity, increase saturation slightly. Saturation affects all colors more evenly, so use it lightly to avoid color banding or halos. If something goes too far, use Undo to step back or reset that slider. When you're satisfied, click the X to close the editor. Your adjustments stay applied. Finally, adjust and reposition the image within your template. Use Canva's alignment guides to center it. Resize it to fit the layout, and leave comfortable margins so your design breathes. Take a moment to compare before and after. Subtle changes often look the most professional. And that's it. You've changed the background color of a photo in Canva using Select Area and Adjust controls for a clean, controlled result.